Hey guys, welcome back to our channel The Whole Lot Stuff. I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to tell you about Technology Entrepreneurship Development Program, which is organized by IIT Banaras Hindu University. This program is going to be for 6 weeks, and this program starts from February 1st and ends on 13th March 2021, and the last date to apply for this program is 30th of January. You can know more about this program as you scroll down. This program has no registration fee, that is, the program is completely free for everyone. The main motive of this program is to motivate and develop entrepreneurs in specific products, technologies, processes developed by CSIR labs and research and development institutions and universities. We can see here that the program instructors are none other than the faculty and trainers from IIT Banaras Hindu University and Varanasi, and also reputed entrepreneurs from the industries. So everybody who is currently enrolled in BE or BTech program are eligible to apply for this program. That is, if you're second year, third year or fourth year, you can apply for this. There are two ways to apply for this program. Below there is a registration form which you can take a printout and fill out the form and send the scanned copy to the coordinator. The email address is given here. As this is an online program, the selected participants should have good internet connection and also laptop to access the online classes. Here is the registration form in which you have to fill out all these details and send a scanned copy to mentioned email address. So the another method you can apply for this program is by filling out this application form. You just have to enter your email address, home address, your age, your gender, your background, and the caste category, and also your qualification, the name of the institute you have attended, and also the occupation, the annual income of your guardian, and also your expectations from this training, and also if you have any business idea you can tell them later. After submitting this form, you have successfully applied for this training program, and also you will get a confirmation on your registered email address if you have been selected for this program or not. They will let you know if you're selected or not on the same day when you have applied, and also on what basis they are going to select you. As we can see here, they have written the participants will be selected through scrutiny of their application form received in response to the call. So that's all in today's video, guys. The last day to apply for this program is 30th January. So please share this as much as possible so that it will reach the interested students out there. If you feel that this video was informative, hit the like button and also hit the bell icon if you want to receive latest updates on courses like these from our channel. Happy learning!